Welcome back, Kaiju fans. Today we're going to be opening up the X Plus. That's the PX Previews Gigan Final Wars, like powered up or chainsaw version, whichever one you prefer. Ordered this just a couple days ago. The reason I got this was I was originally bidding on the X Plus 30cm Mechagodzilla 03 with the Evangelion Unit 2 paint job, but lost the bid by like 10 bucks. I was salty, and I was like, maybe I'll just find something else that I want that's a good deal. And this presented itself for only like 80 bucks, and I was like, yeah, it's a hell of a deal. X Plus Gigan, 80 bucks on eBay. I'll get it. I really thought it wasn't going to come in the box, because I read somewhere that it wasn't going to come with a box, and I was like, I don't really care. I'm going to assume now what they meant was it's not going to come with a shipping box, because this is how it just was out on my doorstep in the wet, cold winter. So winter temperatures that's out there. So I don't know, I'm not too upset. I was not expecting a box, so who cares if this one's banged up. But yeah, definitely cool picture on the box. It's not like a color print or anything, but you know, these boxes are still cool. So I'll just get it opened up here, and that's what we got on the inside. Gigan just wrapped up in there. So let me pull this out. I'll get this out of the way. So it looks like we got his hands and tail that are separate for right now. So I guess I will start undoing some of these twist ties here. It doesn't look like there is a ton, maybe like 5. I hope there's only like 5, because I don't want to sit here for an hour untwisting these. But yeah, I was pretty excited when I saw this get listed, even though I was upset at the same time that I lost out on that other auction. I mean, not much you can do. Some people have more money than you. I was going to get it, even if I would have won the auction, I still would have got a steal on it, because it only sold for like 160 or something, and those usually go for like $400 or $500. So my mistake. I'm not going to beat myself up over it too much. I mean, things happen. You can't always get what you want. So I'll settle for this for now. It's going to be my first X Plus Godzilla figure that is not literally just Godzilla, since I only have Godzillas and Kiryu, which, I mean, still Godzilla, right? But I like Gigan. It'll go nicely with the 30cm 04 Godzilla that Anna got me. Forever waiting for the day that they finally release an X Plus Monster X, so I can have that kind of end of the Final Wars trio there, because I definitely like Monster X more than I like Gigan, but Gigan is still one of my favorite kaiju that's not like Ghidorah, where getting an explosive Ghidorah is so expensive, so much of an investment. But maybe someday. About to start my last semester at college, so maybe when I get in the real world and get a real job, not making minimum wage, maybe something else will come along. Alright, let's see if I can get these out of here. Is there actually bubble wrap in here? Oh, that's weird. Usually there's just the plastic, and not bubble wrap too. Okay. I feel like I'm missing something here, because it's still in here pretty snugly. What is going on? Nothing across there. This is behind his leg, but it's not latched. Why won't you come out? It's undone. It's undone. Am I dumb? Entirely possible. Ooh, what's going on here? Come on. Okay. Something down here. I don't think that this is released enough. Hold on. That's what it is. I am dumb. Wow. There's a hidden strap that I could only see from the front side. But now I got it. So there's like more twist ties than I thought. possible to get. Wow. Okay. Now, let's see here. There we go. Woo! Okay. Now I think we're good. That's coming out now. Alright. Now he's out. Plasticky. That is nice. Look at that. This middle fin, definitely I'm going to have to heat that up and get that more straight, because that's kind of wonky. I love that he didn't come with his arms attached. I love it. Alright. I'm going to let's take these out. This is a pain. Wow. I'm just noticing all the rivets on his chest are painted. That's absolutely incredible. I love it. Guess this is where I could try to use the scissors, cut away some of the plastic. I don't know. Usually there's a split between the people who actually end up watching anything I do with the X Plus stuff. It's either the people who actually get X Pluses and are curious as to what a different one is going to be like, maybe something they don't have, or the people who want to get into them just don't have either the space or the money for it, because I know it's an investment, something you got to kind of save up for. But I'm going to tell you right now, the absolute worst part about getting a new X Plus is these boots that they put on, the plastic boots, because that much time for one. There's still like 4 more, or 3 more, counting. They are just on there so well sometimes. I think this one's actually on here pretty poorly. I might be able to take this one off. Yep. They didn't wad the tape up. Woo! But his foot is disconnected inside of here. Look at that. I didn't even put pressure on this one, and the foot's just not connected inside here. Shit, dude. Yeah. So that's gonna have to get glued back inside of there. I don't know if I have any glue. Damn it, that sucks. I mean, it's not damaged. Like, that's a separate piece. But still, like, that's still hella annoying that I'm gonna have to glue that in. Shit. Alright. Let's put that over there for now. He should still be able to stand up when I get his tail on, though. So, we'll see. Funny how the foot that I don't have a ton of trouble getting the shit off of is the one that's broken. Just my luck. Oh well. I got this one for a good deal. I'm not gonna fret over something that's unglued. Okay, that's all the plastic. Let's grab his tail. That's a lot of... Usually they don't put bubble wrap inside of these boxes, so that's an awful lot of bubble wrap. Alright. What kind of tail latch do we have here? My cat is mad, so if you hear meowing in the background, just know that's what that is. Alright. That's going to have to get heated up, so I can't put that in right now. Excellent. Let me just get the hands out of here then. These might be able to go in without heating them up. Woo! Kitty's not happy. Meow. Alright. Forward? Yep. These don't have any distinction, so they're going to be the same. They should just pop right in, literally the same way the Chogokin ones do. And they look exactly the same, but you know. I don't know. Alright. I'll be right back. Crazy cut here. I'm going to go heat them up and put these in. I'll be back. Alright, well here it is all put together. I just kind of have his foot sitting in front of his leg right now. He stands up fine without it being glued in. which is fine. I probably just have to put him on my shelf with it sitting in front of him for right now, because I just checked and I don't have any super glue, so sucks, but not the first time I purchased an X Plus that came kind of messed up. It's just mass production, you know what I mean? But yeah, I heated up his arms to get these in, and then the tail as well. Move that out of the way. These just popped right in once the base of the arms were heated up enough. They're really heavy though, so I'm hoping that this doesn't sag over time. I made sure to hold them in place for a little bit while the vinyl re-hardened. And then the tail wasn't too bad to get in either. It is weird though, because the tail's vinyl on the inside is colored like a tan color. It's not silver and it's not blue, it's tan. But his arms, or his legs and chest, ooh, those are loud. Legs and chest are this blue color with like highlights painted on top of it, so I don't know, I thought that was really weird that they used two different colored vinyls for the same blue skin color. I don't know. And his fins, I have the plastic sheets that he came with in between his fins back in there right now because I heated them up as well, just to get them back into the position they're supposed to be, so don't mind the little plastic fins for right now. Ooh, he wants to fall over a little bit though without that foot stopping him. Man, that sucks. He's so front heavy and he's missing half of his front support, so that's kind of making me nervous. But other than that, like, just take a look at that chest there. I thought that it was really cool that all the rivets were painted on like the way that they were. They're even, I mean, man, X Plus doesn't miss a thing. Like, they even have the rivets painted right at the back end of the spine right here, like the fins. Those are painted as well. The eye pieces are a translucent red bubble that's like on top of like an actual back piece that has a texture in it as well, like a bunch of little dots. Really makes that pop out nicely. No color inside of the mouth because it's just all silver. It's Gigan. Man, it looks really good. I'm glad I finally picked this up. Hopefully Monster X comes out soon. If I ever stop being extremely busy and can get back into doing reviews on a regular basis, I have a long list of other X Pluses I need to do, but I'll make sure I cover everything that's important about this guy. But yeah, really just wanted to do a little brief unboxing, kind of put it together, give my thoughts on it, and give you guys something since I've been kind of distant lately, but stuff's going on. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I definitely am. I'll catch you next time. Peace out. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I appreciate it a lot. As always, liking, commenting, and sharing really helps on my channel. And make sure you're subscribed if you want to stay up to date on the latest kaiju news and crisp reviews.